To connect your Payoneer account to your Etsy shop for receiving payments, you can follow these steps. Sign in to your Etsy account. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager located at the top right corner of the page. In the Shop Manager, find the Finances section in the left sidebar, then select Payment Settings. Under Payment Settings, you'll see various payment options. Look for the option to add a new payment method or connect an existing one. It may be labeled as Payment Methods or something similar. If Payoneer is supported by Etsy in your region and currency, you should see it listed among the payment options. Click on the option to add Payoneer as your payment method. Etsy will likely prompt you to log into your Payoneer account or provide some details to link the two accounts. After providing the necessary details, Etsy may require some verification steps to ensure that the accounts are linked securely. Complete any verification process that is required. Once the linking process is complete, Etsy may ask you to perform a test transaction to ensure that payments can be successfully processed through Payoneer. After testing, review your payment settings to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Save your settings if everything looks good. After successfully connecting Payoneer to your Etsy account, you should be able to receive payments from Etsy directly to your Payoneer account.